Embarking on a cruise is not merely a journey, it's an immersive experience promising luxury, adventure, and unparalleled hospitality. As we set sail into 2024, the cruise industry unveils a fleet of magnificent vessels, each promising to redefine the standards of opulence and entertainment on the high seas. From innovative designs to world-class dining options and captivating entertainment shows, these ships stand at the forefront of maritime innovation, beckoning travelers to embark on unforgettable voyages. Join us as we embark on a virtual tour of the top 5 best and newest cruise ships for 2024, each offering a unique blend of sophistication, excitement, and luxury. From the stunning Celebrity Beyond to the elegant MSC World Europa, these ships promise to captivate the senses and leave a lasting impression on every guest fortunate enough to step aboard. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination set sail as we explore the epitome of maritime excellence awaiting discovery in the year 2024. 5. Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. The Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas stands as a pinnacle of luxury and adventure. Its state-of-the-art amenities and breathtaking views ensure an unforgettable cruise experience. For those seeking relaxation, the expansive pool decks and spa facilities offer rejuvenating experiences. Families can enjoy activities like mini-golf, laser tag, and Broadway-style shows. Wonderland Imaginative Cuisine offers an avant-garde dining experience, while Chops Grill serves up succulent steaks and seafood. For casual dining, head to Jamie's Italian for delicious pasta dishes, or Izumi for fresh sushi and sashimi. Don't miss out on the spectacular productions at the Royal Theatre, featuring Broadway-caliber performances and dazzling musicals. The Aqua Theatre showcases jaw-dropping water acrobatics and high-flying performances that will leave you in awe. 4. Carnival Celebration. The Carnival Celebration promises non-stop fun for guests of all ages. With its vibrant atmosphere and exciting onboard activities, thrill-seekers can enjoy adrenaline-pumping experiences at the Waterworks Aquapark or test their skills at the ropes course. Kids will love the supervised activities at Camp Ocean, while adults can unwind at the Serenity Adult-Only Retreat, indulge in delicious dishes at the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, or savor international flavors at Bonsai Sushi. Guy's Burger Joint offers gourmet burgers with all the fixings, while Blue Iguana Cantina serves up delicious Mexican fare. Experience the energy of Playlist Productions, with high-energy performances featuring music from every era. The Punchliner Comedy Club presents top-notch comedians ready to keep you laughing all night long. 3. Norwegian Prima. The Norwegian Prima sets itself apart with its innovative design and a plethora of world-class dining options that cater to every palate. For relaxation, the ship offers luxurious spa treatments and tranquil pool areas. Families will appreciate the expansive aqua park and kids aqua park, complete with thrilling water slides and splash zones. Indulge in culinary delights at Onda by Scarpetta, serving authentic Italian cuisine with a modern twist. For a fine dining experience, head to Indochine for Asian fusion cuisine, or Los Lobos for upscale Mexican fare. The Norwegian Prima boasts captivating entertainment options, including Broadway-style productions at the Prima Theatre and immersive performances at the Social Comedy and Nightclub. Guests can also enjoy live music at various venues throughout the ship. 2. MSC World Europa. The MSC World Europa exudes elegance with its sophisticated decor and unparalleled service, providing guests with a royal experience on the high seas. Experience the thrill of the MSC Grandiosa, featuring a unique indoor promenade with shops, bars, and restaurants. The ship offers a range of activities, including a multi-level water park. Guests can also enjoy panoramic views from the ship's glass-floored bridge. Delight your taste buds at the Butcher's Cut Steakhouse, serving prime cuts of meat in an elegant setting. Indulge in Mediterranean flavors at Hola, Tacos and Cantina, or sample authentic Italian cuisine at L'Atelier Bistro. For a taste of Asia, visit the Kaito Teppanyaki and Sushi Bar. Experience world-class entertainment at the Europa World Theatre, featuring Cirque du Soleil-style performances and Broadway-caliber productions. The ship also offers live music, comedy shows, and themed parties throughout the voyage. 1. Celebrity Beyond. The Celebrity Beyond redefines luxury cruising with its stunning design and unparalleled guest experience, earning its place as the best new cruise ship in 2024. Guests can relax in style at the rooftop garden, a serene outdoor oasis featuring lush greenery, comfortable seating, and breathtaking views. The ship offers a range of activities including cooking classes, wine tastings, and fitness classes led by certified instructors. Indulge in gourmet cuisine at Lumini at the Retreat, an exclusive restaurant reserved for suite guests featuring seasonal menus crafted by a Michelin-starred chef. Experience culinary excellence at Fine Cut Steakhouse, and fresh seafood in an elegant atmosphere. For a taste of the Mediterranean, visit Le Petit Chef at Cuisine. Enjoy world-class entertainment at the theatre, featuring Broadway-style productions, live music and comedy shows. The ship also offers immersive experiences such as Eden, a multi-level venue featuring live performances, interactive art installations, and culinary delights. Additionally, guests can enjoy themed parties, dance clubs, and live music at various venues throughout the ship. As our virtual tour of the top 5 best and newest cruise ships for 2024 comes to an end, we're left with a sense of awe and anticipation for the adventures that lie ahead. From the innovative features of the Norwegian Prima to the elegance of the MSC World Europa and the unparalleled luxury of the Celebrity Beyond, each ship offers a glimpse into the future of cruising. Whether you're seeking thrilling activities, gourmet dining experiences, or world-class entertainment, these vessels promise to exceed your expectations and create memories to last a lifetime. As the cruise industry continues to push the boundaries of innovation and luxury, we eagerly await the next wave of extraordinary ships that will set sail in the years to come. Until then, may your dreams be filled with visions of azure seas, starlit nights, and the promise of new horizons awaiting exploration on the high seas. Are you ready to set sail on the best new cruise ships of 2024? Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Which new cruise ship are you most excited to sail on? Let us know in the comments below.